Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my sugar-free era. This is the story of how I bravely or foolishly gave up sugar for 30 days. Did I survive? Did I cry over a cookie? Did I try to convince myself that honey is natural, so it doesn't count? Stick around to find out. We all know sugar is everywhere, in soda, candy, even in healthy things like yogurt and granola bars. But I wanted to see what would happen if I cut it out completely. Also, I may or may not have eaten half a cake before making this decision and felt immediate regret. The first few days were rough. My body was like, "Where's my sugar?" I had headaches, fatigue, and at one point, I swear my fridge whispered, "Come back to me." I also started craving things I don't even like. Suddenly, raisins seemed like a good idea. Raisins. Who even eats those willingly? Then something crazy happened. Around day 10, I started feeling good. My energy levels went up, my bloating disappeared, and I swear my skin started glowing. Was this what life was like for people who make clean eating their personality? I also noticed that my taste buds changed. Fruit suddenly tasted really sweet. Like, did someone inject this apple with caramel? Sweet. By the end of the challenge, my energy was through the roof, my stomach was flatter, and I no longer craved sugar the way I used to. I felt like a superhero, minus the cape, but definitely with the superpowers of self-control. And the best part? I didn't even want that much sugar anymore. My brain stopped yelling cake every 5 minutes. Growth. Was it worth it? 1000% yes. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Will I still enjoy dessert occasionally? Also yes. Balance, people. If you're thinking of trying a sugar detox, I say go for it. And if you've already done one, tell me in the comments, what was the hardest part for you? Let's suffer. Thrive together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my next video on how to eat healthy without feeling like you're being punished.